Hi. Let's learn how to read words with PLE.
Paw, paw, paw.
Blending sounds. PLE sounds like the letters PL.
Paw, paw, paw. APPLE, 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 apple. CRIPPLE, cur, 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 curry, curry, paw, cripple, cripple, cripple.
Ample. Sample. People. Simple. Triple. Ripple. Dimple. Pimple. Temple. Example. Trample. Grapple. Let's review. What is the sound of TRIPLE? Answer. Triple. What is the sound of GRAPPLE? Answer. Grapple. What is the sound of RIPPLE? Answer. Ripple. What is the sound of TRAMPLE? Answer. Trample. What is the sound of DIMPLE? Answer. Dimple. Practice. Example. 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 Temple. 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 This is an example of a temple. This is an example of a temple. People. 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 Simple. 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 The people want a simple project. The people want a simple project. Ample. 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 Sample. 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 They have ample sample. They have ample sample. Good job.
Bye.